Got the cassette off. And I went to lift it up, and I was thinking like the balls would be like up here on top, you know. And I went to lift it up, and all these ball bearings fell out. But I'm gonna get a new cassette for it, so I think they're like, I don't know, $10. But yeah, I'm just like, dang. Alright, update on my little cruiser here. Wheels are still good. I got the tires off, they were dry rotted. The inner tubes after all these years have still hold air. Got my crank off. I just kind of wonder what kind of bottom bracket I could like put on this bike. Got the freewheel off. Simple. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, Bean. That was simple getting the freewheel off. Wasn't rusting on like I thought it would be. Brake pads look like they still got a little life in them. I just gotta clean the wheel. I'm gonna go with a 1x system, so I'm gonna probably take this off. But yeah, coming along. Everything's still moving freely. Next is my headset. Re-grease that, clean it out, re-grease it. What I took off was that there, and it was like loose and probably missing some balls inside. But yeah, that's the next. So that's just an update on my little street cruiser build that no one will steal.
I've been walking on air, left